Hi guys, Melissa here. As you probably know, I'm a huge fan of drinking tea, and I just got a package from Loose Leaf Tea Market, my new favorite source for tea, and I wanted to share it with you as I open the box. I'm going to go ahead and open it. And right on top, there are some steeping directions for both hot and iced tea. Oh, and you can see the pretty little dried flowers. That's so gorgeous. I love that. So the owner of Loose Leaf Tea Market has a background in herbalism, and she creates these tasty teas that also have benefits to your health. And she uses mostly organic, 99% organic. And when she uses a flavoring, it's certified organic, vegan, and made from real plants. She also orders the ingredients for her teas twice a month, and the teas are made fresh in small batches, so they're super fresh, not like the ones at the grocery store that have expiration dates like years from now. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and, I hate to move the little herbs, but go ahead and open this up. Oh, that's so nice. So there is a handwritten note. It says, "Hi Melissa, I hope you love your teas. Each one will provide a totally different tea experience. I can't wait to hear your faves. Enclosed are a couple extra samples to enjoy." That is so nice. I love that. And so on the back, it has their Facebook page, their Instagram, and if oh wow. So it has an invitation to become an affiliate. So if you like their teas, you can refer your friends and actually get a little money back. That's a nice bonus way to enjoy your teas. Okay, so these must be my extra samples. So this is anxiety relief. That's pretty useful these days. I think you guys know what I mean. Cranberry apple tart. Ooh, that sounds yummy. And I heart pomegranates. I love the packaging is very simple. I love just the craft paper, and these stickers are just gorgeous. The designs are great. Okay, let's see. We have Blueberry Thrill. It says sweet, fragrant blueberry blend. It's a certified organic black tea. It has hints of lavender and a pinch of licorice root that adds a touch of sweetness, so you don't need to sweeten it. It says it's good hot, iced, and makes a bangin' cold brew. I love that. Okay, what next? Then we have Daily Calm, and that is a caffeine-free blend with relaxing herbs. It says you'll feel relaxed but not sleepy. Nice hot and nice iced. And each one of the labels has instructions for steeping and the suggested use. And this one's also 100% certified organic. And each one of these says makes approximately 20 cups. So that's like a really, really good value. 20 cups of tea in there. Okay. Happy Place. We all need that. Uplifting, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. Again, 100% certified organic ingredients. It says caffeine-free, uplifting mango citrus tea with ginger and a little turmeric. Happy Place uplifts the mood, soothes digestion, and helps relieve inflammation. So I think that might be my favorite so far. I can't wait to try it. Mango citrus sounds wonderful. And then finally, we have Tigger and Poo, a sweet breakfast blend for optimism and happiness. So that says it's made from fermented tea leaves with vanilla and sweet persimmons. It's energizing, uplifting to the mood, soothing to the stomach, high in antioxidants, and has a sweet and creamy flavor. This tea also has a touch of licorice, so you don't need to sweeten it. Better hot, but if drinking it over ice, add something creamy like coconut milk. Again, that sounds absolutely amazing. And then we have Sleek and Slender, weight loss and digestive support. So it's a cinnamon white tea blend that curbs sugar craving, boosts the metabolism, and supports digestion. It is not a laxative, even though it's weight management, so that's good to know, thank goodness. Nor will it hop you up with massive amounts of caffeine. It's effective, tastes great, safe, high in antioxidants. Best hot, but makes a great iced tea too. It says don't sweeten it. It contains an herb called gymnema. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Which is also called a sugar blocker. So that I can't wait to try as well. And then it looks like a tea infuser. I love these. I love these so much. So to help make your tea, we have a tea infuser, and you just open it up like so, add your tea, close it, and then you can soak that in your hot water to steep your tea. So I'm so excited about trying these teas, and I can't wait to share which is my favorite with you.